Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will also show you how you can keep your iPhone screen on. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also be sure to put likes under this video and write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get down to our topic. And in order for the screen to stay on all the time if you need it, you will need to first open the Settings application. Then scroll down and please find the option called Display Brightness. Next, swipe to the very bottom and find the Auto Lock section here. Click on it. And if you friends, here you have some kind of time scale from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. It means that your phone will turn off after 2 minutes or after 3 minutes or after 5 minutes of inactivity. In order to turn this off, you will need to turn on the last option and just exit back. Thanks to this friends, your iPhone screen will not turn off until you press the side shutdown button yourself and turn it off. This is the quick and easy way you can do it. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, friends, and also be sure to put your likes. Bye bye everyone.